This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Lexus RX 350h. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral with their parking brakes engaged. Then, locate the 12-volt battery or the designated jump-start terminal in your Lexus RX 350h, which is typically under the hood, often beneath a fuse box cover. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Lexus RX 350h's dead 12-volt battery or the designated jump-start terminal. Next, connect the other end of that same red cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Ensure both connections are firm and stable. Moving on to the negative cables, connect one black negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the other end of the black cable, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Lexus RX 350h's engine block or chassis. This acts as a ground. Do not connect this clamp directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With all cables connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to allow some charge to transfer. After this, try starting your Lexus RX 350h. Once your vehicle starts, carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First the negative from your Lexus, then the negative from the donor car, followed by the positive from the donor car, and finally the positive from your Lexus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.